Welcome back to the channel, watch enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring one of the toughest, most trusted names in rugged horology, Casio's G-Shock Professional lineup. These watches are not just about keeping time, they're designed to perform under pressure, thrive in chaos, and support professionals in the harshest environments on Earth. Whether you're in the military, working offshore, flying planes, or exploring the great outdoors, there's a G-Shock Pro model made for you. Why choose professional G-Shocks? The G-Shock Pro series isn't just a line of watches, it's a philosophy. They're built with professionals in mind, people who rely on precision, durability, and advanced features in life or death situations. These models combine decades of Japanese engineering with military-grade toughness and cutting-edge technology. If you need a tool that works as hard as you do, and survives what you survive, this is it. Key features of G-Shock Professional models include shock resistance, water resistance from 200 meters up to ISO-rated dive standards, solar-powered movements, radio-controlled atomic timekeeping, and highly advanced sensors. Some models feature triple sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, GPS, and environmental resistance to mud, dirt, pressure, and temperature extremes. These aren't just watches, they're instruments. Let's kick things off with the G-Shock Rangeman GW-9400. This is the ultimate survival watch. It features Casio's triple sensor version 3, altimeter, barometer, compass, and thermometer, all inside a shell that's solar-powered, radio-synced for atomic accuracy, and built like a tank. Whether you're hiking, climbing, or prepping for anything, the Rangeman is a field-tested companion you can trust. Next up is the Mudmaster GG-B100, built for rough ground and dirty conditions. With a carbon core guard case and sealed buttons to prevent mud and dust intrusion, it includes a compass, step tracker, Bluetooth sync, and environmental sensors. Whether you're a rescue worker or simply working in challenging environments, the Mudmaster is your mission-ready timekeeper. For diving professionals, there's the G-Shock Frogman GWF-D1000. This ISO-certified diver's watch includes a depth sensor, dive timer, tide and moon phase data, and solar power. Its monocoque case and screw-down case back make it ready for real underwater operations. If you're serious about diving, the Frogman is your mechanical lifeline. Aviation enthusiasts and professionals should check out the Gravitymaster GPW-2000. This is where analog meets tech. It features GPS hybrid timekeeping, Bluetooth, a carbon fiber insert band, and a shock-resistant structure designed for rapid altitude shifts and cockpit conditions. It's a true pilot's companion with world time functions across all major time zones. Then we have the Gulfmaster GN-1000, designed for maritime use. With tide charts, moon phase indicators, and a digital compass, it's ideal for those navigating the sea. Whether you're on a Coast Guard vessel, a fishing boat, or a cargo ship, this model delivers crucial environmental data while resisting the harsh saltwater elements. One of the underrated all-rounders is the master of GG-B100 Gravitymaster. Packed with quad sensors, altimeter, barometer, thermometer, and compass, this model also features step tracking and smartphone connectivity. Its carbon core structure offers next-level toughness in a lightweight form factor. Great for pilots, hikers, or anyone needing versatile data. Professional G-Shocks are not just about endurance, they're about performance under pressure. They serve as essential gear for soldiers, first responders, divers, pilots, and outdoor professionals around the world. Every button, sensor, and feature is designed to be used in action, with gloves on, in low light, and in unpredictable conditions. In conclusion, if you need a timepiece that goes beyond fashion and functions as a reliable instrument, one that can survive where others fail, G-Shock's professional line is the clear answer. These watches are as serious about the mission as you are. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into G-Shock professional watches, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more watch content. Let us know in the comments, which Pro G-Shock would you trust in extreme conditions? Until next time, stay rugged and stay precise.